Very early in my career, I had done an estate plan for a gentleman. I was feeling very confident about my abilities because I had attended many conferences and after law school had taken hundreds of hours of courses on how to do proper estate planning and was feeling very confident in it. And after he had signed the plan, he called my office and said, "I need to come see you right away." And I was in a panic. I didn't know what to do because I thought I had done something wrong. He came back in, he sat down at the table, at the conference table with me, and he broke down into tears. And he said, "My father had a massive coronary. He went into the hospital, and now the hospital's telling me that he's got to go to a nursing home. What do I do?" And I looked at him and I said, "I'll be able to tell you what to do," but frankly at that time I didn't know what to do. I then did what any good attorney would do. I called up colleagues that I had, friends that had dealt with situations. And I spoke to one gentleman who recommended, back in 2000, that I join the National Academy of Elder Law Attorneys. And that year I went to my first conference, and I've been to every one since. And what I found was an incredible group of attorneys that had such a passion for helping people. And I knew after that first meeting that I was home. This is where I wanted to be. This is what I wanted to do. And I've been able to help so many families at this time, whether it be figuring out how to stay in your home. That's the biggest issue I think that comes to me most of the time. How do we keep mom or dad at home? The adult children are concerned. They don't think it's safe to be there. Sometimes the parents don't want to accept help. They're resistant to it. One of the things that I've been able to do successfully in my practice is to make sure that I'm brokering an arrangement here so that that senior, mom or dad, understands, you know what, they do need help. And we can help them, and we can keep them in their home for as long as possible. Unfortunately, though, as everybody understands, sometimes it gets to the point where it's just not safe to stay at home anymore. What do you do at that point? That's where the documents that you have and the understanding and the legal advice that I give, which are more important than those documents. It's the advice I give that helps people achieve their objectives. What do you want to do? How can we do it? Can you afford it? But more importantly, is it safe? How do we keep you safe? How do we make sure people aren't taking advantage of somebody? It's something where you have to spend the time with the clients, spend the time with the family, and understand what their goals and their values are. It's the most important thing that you can do.